In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and animate text for social media posts in Canva. Let's start from inside your Canva design. Once you have your template or blank canvas open, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with different options like elements, uploads, and so on. Find the option labeled text and click on it. This is where you'll access all of Canva's text tools, including simple text boxes and ready-made font combinations. After you click on text, you'll see a few different choices appear, such as preset headings, subheadings, and body text styles. For this tutorial, we'll keep it simple. Look for the button that says Add a text box and click it. Canva will automatically place a new text box on your design, usually in the center of the canvas. If it lands somewhere you don't like, you can just click and drag it to move it around. Now, go ahead and type in the text you want to appear on your social media post. This might be a title, a quote, or a short message. As you type, you can highlight the text to change the font, size, color, or alignment using the toolbar that appears at the top of the screen. Take a moment here to choose a font that matches your brand or the mood of your post. For example, bold fonts work well for headlines, while script fonts can feel more personal or elegant. Make sure your text is easy to read, especially if you're posting on platforms where people are scrolling quickly. Once your text looks the way you want, click directly on the text box so it's selected. At the top of the screen, in the same toolbar, look for the button that says Animate and click it. This opens Canva's animation panel. Here, you'll see different animation styles, such as simple fades, slides, or more dynamic effects. Hover over each option to preview how your text will move. This is a good time to think about the tone of your post. Subtle animations usually feel more professional, while bouncer ones can feel fun and playful. When you find an animation you like, click on it to apply it to your text. You can then follow the on-screen prompts to fine-tune the effect. Depending on the animation, you may be able to adjust things like direction, speed, or how the letters appear. If there's a play or preview button, use it to watch your animation from start to finish and make sure it feels smooth and not too distracting. When you're happy with everything, your animated text is ready to be used in your social media post.